Today I'm going to show how to replace this mirror right here. This mirror, nothing wrong with it, but I bought the bigger mirror, which is this one right here. Okay, this one right here is extended. This is like the F250 one and F350. You can extend the mirror longer, so you can see behind trailer a little bit better. The mirror bigger, and also you have a close range and far range on it. And this is because I have a big pontoon, and this can be see better. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put the mirrors on. You do need little sharp nose in here. Okay, that will come out, and then you will see it's a 8mm socket bolt inside here. Take this one out. It's windy today. And then there's another one inside here. I'm going to pop that one out too. Okay, this one just pry from this corner. Grab this, see that, pry that. You can pry from this side. Use a screwdriver. And another 8mm right here. Let's come off. If you look closely, it's two small screws. The socket on here is number 6 socket. Okay, then I think that's it. Okay, just pull up, don't pump. Just pull up, then they come off. Okay. The 3 screw in the back here, just using a 10mm socket. Pretty easy. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay, and just go grab from the outside. But there is plug right here. You need to disconnect too. Good to have 2 men, 1 man holding the mirror. But what you have to do is just put this screw back on, so this will hold the mirror. You got this mirror still good, and pry that plug here out, and now you can grab from the outside. I put the nut to hold it. Tight it slowly. And even it out. Alright. Then just plug it in the plug, and that's it. When you buy this, make sure it's a direct fit for this vehicle, okay? Because sometimes they don't fit on the plug, then you don't have the power heater mirror, and you don't have the signal on the mirror, and you can't control the mirror either. So after you're plugging in the power supply, just back like this. Make sure it goes fitting in the what do you call the locking pin. Make sure all the clip in the door is fitting this hole. This clip, the holding the door panel like that. There's a clip hook like that. make sure the hook it go inside on the bottom first, then you can slightly drop down, okay, and go push the door panel all the way to the mirror, the glass, and then slide down, okay. So all the hook will be slide in, but make sure your door lock pin is go in. But before you do all this, just leave the door like that. Test to see your mirror working first before you even put everything, okay? I'm taking this tape out. Very big, very big. I like the way it is big like this, you know. All right, signal, and you can see that it's blinking right there, okay. And let's do mirror. So you tilt up, tilt down, left and right, okay. So it works. So the bottom one is manually, so it doesn't do that. So only this and all this works. So that means everything's working. So now everything's working, so it's ready to put the door panel back in. Very easy, very easy. I thought it's harder than this, but it's just simple. 4 bolt and then pull up, and that's all you do. Wow, definitely this mirror is look a lot nicer, because I can see that the truck look bigger now, and the chrome mirror in the top extend out with the front mirror. I mean the front chrome bumper and the grill. That truck look a lot nicer. Okay, in my opinion, it looked a lot better. And when you go inside, definitely, when you sit inside, definitely this one helping a lot. And not just that, this one helping the car passing by you, and that one also seeing a lot further than the other one, because this two mirror is big mirror. Okay, all right, if you're interested in this mirror, cheap online, it's about 150, you know, 130 something plus tax plus shipping, come up to like 150, and it's pretty decent, so good quality. I would say it's the same as the manufacturer one. Don't spend money to buy a manufacturer one. The only thing I don't like it is the fitting right here. It's not as super tidy inside like that, but aftermarket, you can't complain about it, you know. A little gap opening here is nothing to me. So Ford always have gap opening, so up here gap opening, so it's not a big deal. And I like the way it extended, the mirror extended. You know, if you don't like too far, just push in, and still plenty of space when you tow something. Definitely this will helping you a trailer. You know, my pontoon is very big, so it's 25-26 foot. That help. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.